Gilbert join us too. Gilbert join us too. Bye-bye. And it's like having a window and sets in some toes. And anybody slide me? No, Gilbert, go back in. No, Gilbert, go back in, please. Can you go back in? Can you go back in? And can you go back in? Your house is good. And my baby couldn't play. We just broke it.
No, it's okay, Mẫn Nhi. He doesn't want it.
Look, Cat and Sky. It's the channel. It said it's good this time's my baby. That's cool weather. Can you go back in? Can you go under, Gilbert? And I can go to the. Hey, I have to go under, and I have to go back in. Can you go back inside? Gilbert, can you go here? Gilbert, can you go here? Go inside. Can you go? Can you go? Yes. Bye-bye. And the parents said, wait a minute, I'm not done yet. And there's some toys. And she has other toys and motorcycles. Hey, where's that Sally?
Where's all your train?
Huh?
Where's all your train?
It's in there.
Hmm?
Uh-oh.
You want to go get your train?
Thanks. Hello. Boom, boom.
Mẫn Nhi, you want to go get your train to play with your train?
No. Well, so how about play?
Mẫn Nhi, Gilliandra, here.
I guess I was some water some singing. And let's go. Oh, I can't. I can't go to the round.
Okay, can you try it this way? Slow thôi nha.
Yeah.
Ah!
That's backwards.
Do it forward. Change it
Where?
forward.
That way?
This one.
Uh-oh.
This one low.
That's a catty code.
Uh-oh, chưa Gilbert get off rồi.
Uh-oh.
Okay, chị, let him go to the front. Stop it.
You can't do it.
Okay, let's turn around, okay? Space too small. Okay, ready?
Watch out, watch out, watch out. You forgot it. It's almost getting in here.
Hmm?
It's almost getting in the table. It's almost.
Uh-oh, we gotta do a big turn here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it's this cat.
Oh, we need a bigger space. More space not gonna work for this motorcycle. Right. This is on low speed.
Yes.
There's a faster one. There's a faster speed.
Mommy.
Slow speeds and it goes quite fast.
Look, go there. It's white. The motor car is have big space.
Yeah. And here's we have a compartment for storage. It has forward and reverse, high and low. We are on low right now, low speed, but it's quite fast for two little kids. Even when I was sitting on there, it's still driving fast. Yeah, let's try it. Let's mommy drive it. Let me see.
No, I forgot my whistle. Where's my whistle?
Ooh. Ah. Wow. Mẫn Nhi, you want to sit on here? You want to try sit on here? This one we bought from Amazon. Ah!
slow. That's so slow. That's.
Uh-oh.
It's
Alright, let's go.
Forward.
Ah! Let's reverse.
That's backwards. Forward. That is.
Give a try, see? They're 2 and 4 years old. The kids are 2 and 4 years old.
Okay, let me try.
Wow! Stop!
I can do it.
I know, but we need a bigger space. Driving around the house is quite a little bit challenging.
That's not no.
Oh no!
That cracked.
I know. Wait, Gilbert! Don't touch. Don't hit Gilbert. But it has a bump, but it's still sturdy. Nothing happened.
It's broken. It's broken.
Okay, let's go. One more round and then we stop, okay? Whoa! It's quite easier.
We stopped. We're here. Let's play another one. Hi. Let's play body parts.
Body part? Okay.
And there's a little bit.
Your squishy body part?
Yes.
Okay, take it out.
Yeah. I think she down. Play the body parts. Body part. Oh, Dixie, the one. Did you have a okay?
Okay, open it.
Play it, the body part. Playing test is okay. And you have to fix it.
Yeah, build your body part.
I tail.
Do you remember?
I tail with a bit.
That's okay. Mingyi, do you remember how to build this?
Nope.
You don't remember?
I did. You have to then the brain.
What's the brain?
Skull catcher.
Okay, the skull and the brain is in there.
Gilbert, where's the brain?
The brain is in there.
No, Gilbert, where is your face?
Uh-oh.
We lost one piece.
Right here, con. This,
Hey.
in here?
Here. Silly.
Hey, what's that?
Get these
What are you doing?
letters. Look.
Are you ready? You want to build that?
Mingyi,
Mingyi, do you want to build this? Silly. Mingyi, do you want to build that?
Yes,
Here, come on.
Where the cotton goes to? I already did.
Okay, what else you need?
Muscles.
All these organs are squishy.
No, that's not done.
Rubber.
No, it
Just
is.
like it.
What happens in this is that's the end. No. You get it broken it. You have to.
What is this, Mingyi?
In the diaphragm. You have to put muscles
Like
on.
silicone or something. So
Where's
it's
that
just,
go?
It's getting dirty quite easy.
Oh,
Because
no.
all this dirt and fiber and sticking on it.
We got you. Snap. I can't snap it.
For each section, they have this little hole that you can snap in here to make it stand, to make it stay in there. Right.
Yes.
Well, let's go.
Oh,
it's all right, baby.
have to fix it. on. First, you need some puppy.
Where does the intestine go?
In the there. Uh-oh, can you fix it?
No, it's okay. It won't fix.
No!
It's okay.
It's not.
Fix cái gì? What do you want to fix?
The intestine.
It's okay. This is sticking, con.
Where's that one? This is this. Oh, that one. Uh-oh, it's gonna go out.
This intestine, it can be ripped off easy. The kids, they were just torn a little bit in here. And they want to fix it. Yeah, they were torn up this part. See, it's supposed to connect to this one, but they were torn it out.
Daddy
But
do
it's okay,
that.
she'll fix
That's
that.
Daddy.
Your daddy.
It is Daddy.
All right.
Daddy.
Okay, can you put it out here now?
Daddy. Can you fix it?
No.
Uh-oh, you have to fix it. Oh no, Mushie's broken.
Here, you want to build your intestine, your body part?
You have to fix it. Oh, this.
You don't remember?
You need bones. With the hand, bye.
Don't put it in your mouth. Are you ready? Oh, you're so silly.
The foot! Silly Gilbert. That yogurt dungeon. Uh-oh, the piece stuck.
Uh-oh.
It's still not connect.
No, it won't because it's broken, remember?
Yes, and put the skin on.
All these little things that snap on there, it came off or broke easy. Like we have a few of them that's already broken, stuck in the hole.
Oh, it's broken.
Are you done?
No. I can't do it, Mom.
Just leave it on here.
Okay. No, you have to keep it connect.
Oh, it has to snap on?
Yes.
These snap on kind of challenge. Oh,
Yes.
it's hard, right?
Yes. You did it.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Uh-oh, the hand.
Hmm?
The hand.
Yeah, the hand won't snap on. Go.
Ooh.
What is that? What's that?
That's a focal voice.
Huh?
What's that?
What is this? What's this?
It's a focal voice.
No, what's this whole thing?
That.
What is this?
You can do, you sing.
What do you call? Oh, that's a vocal cord. Okay. What's that whole thing called?
Focal voice.
Vocal
You
cord?
sing.
What is this? Huh?
You focal
Where the food goes?
and you saw in your chicken.
What's that? You want to eat that? You're so silly. What is that called? You don't remember? When you eat, it goes to your mouth and then go where?
To the esophagus.
Yes, esophagus. Where that goes?
Uh-oh.